In this video, I'm going to work out the distance between 2 points using this formula here, where d is the distance, x1, y1 is the first coordinate, and x2, y2 is the second coordinate. So let's use this formula to work out the distance between the 2 points given. So first, underneath my 2 points, I'm going to write x1, y1 under the first coordinate, and x2, y2 under the second one. That should make it easier to identify the correct number to put into our formula. So our formula says that I take x2, so that's 12, subtract x1, 6, square that, and then added to that, I'm going to do the same with the y, so y2, subtract y1, square it, and that all goes under square root. So now I need to solve that. So first thing I need to do is deal with what's happening inside the bracket. So I've got 6 squared plus negative 8 squared. Remember the brackets around the negative number. Now we can deal with the squares. We're going to get 36 plus 64. Add underneath the square root, we get 100. So if we square root, we get 10. So the distance between the 2 points is 10. Let's look at this second example here. So as with the first one, I'm just going to write x1, y1, and x2, y2 to help with identifying the correct number. Let's start subbing them into my equation. So I've got 2, subtract negative 1, better put that in a bracket, squared, and now I have to add that to y2, take away y1, and square root the whole thing. So sort out the brackets first. Let's do some squaring. Let's add them together. And obviously if it was a calculator paper, we could square root it. And if it's a non-calculator paper, we could leave it as the square root of 58. So the distance between these 2 points is root 58.